Welcome to our channel Science of Life, and this is Preeti, your science mentor. Students, in our previous video in respiratory system we have already learned how we remove carbon dioxide from our body, which is very harmful for us. In the similar manner, there are lots of waste are present in our blood and that need to be removed to clean the blood. Now, how it happens? Yes, it happens with the excretory system of human beings. So yes, today we are going to study about the excretory system and formation of urine. So before starting, we should know the term excretion and excretory system. Excretion means removal of waste from the body. And the system, the organ system that removes the waste from the body and filters the blood is called excretory system. So let's begin. So let's bring one excretory system here. So here you can see excretory system. Now before learning all the parts, we should know at least the name of all the parts. So that is KU cube. KU. Yes. K for kidneys and 3 U's. 3 U's. One for ureter. Second U is for urinary bladder and third U is for urethra. So these are the parts of excretory system. We also call it as urinary system also because it forms the urine. Now coming to the first part, that is kidney. In human beings there are 2 kidneys and that are of bean shaped. Just like Rajma, beans, kidney's shape is bean shaped. Where they are present? Kidneys are present in our abdominal cavity. Now, when we are talking about the kidneys, we should know the term nephrons. Nephrons are actually the smallest structural functional unit of kidneys. And each kidney comprises of millions of nephrons. Yes, nephrons are actually filters that filters the blood. See, I'll tell you what happens. In kidneys, blood from all the body cells come with the waste and enters in kidney. Now nephrons present in the kidney filters this blood, means they remove all the waste materials from the blood and forms urine, and the pure blood is sent back to the blood vessels. Now this urine that is formed by the kidneys comprises of urea, uric acid and ammonia. These 3 wastes are present in urine. So basically formation of urine takes place in the kidney itself. So kidney is the most important organ of excretory system. Now what happens? Coming to the second part is ureters. Now the urine that is formed in the kidney from these pipelines reaches to the urinary bladder. So actually ureters are pipes and tubes for transporting urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Now coming to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is actually a bag-like structure that stores urine, and it stores normally 500 to 700 milliliters of urine. When urinary bladder is completely filled with urine, at that time nerves present in the urinary bladder send signals to the brain, and brain tells us that we should pass the urine. So later on, this stored urine passes from urethra, the last portion, urethra. Urethra is actually a pore for the removal of the urine, that's it. So these are the parts of excretory system and functioning of excretory system. First of all, kidney filters the blood and forms the urine. This urine from ureters passes to the urinary bladder where it is stored and then later on passed by urethra. Now my dear students, I hope you understood that how much important is kidney and excretory system for us for purifying the blood. Now what if my one kidney fails? Then what will happen? Can I survive with one kidney? Yes, I can survive with one kidney. But if both the kidneys fails then? No, then a person can die because there will be no filtration of blood and blood will be full of toxins. So it is very dangerous. If the kidney fails, then what is the treatment for that? The treatment are dialysis or transplant. Now, first one is dialysis. What happens in dialysis? Dialysis is actually an artificial machinery that works just like kidney. A person is on the dialysis, then what happens? The person's blood goes into the machine, then it is filtered and then again it is being added to the person's body. So this dialysis machine is actually the artificial kidney, we can say. And the second treatment is kidney transplant. If the condition becomes more critical, then the last option remain is kidney transplant. Then the patient's kidney, unhealthy kidney, is being transplanted or replaced by the healthy person's kidney. But it should be a match, a proper match. So these are the treatment if kidney fails, dialysis and transplant. So my dear students, for that I gave you a tip: drink lots of water, because it forms urine. It helps in formation of the urine and indirectly it helps in cleaning the blood. Now I hope you understood that how much excretory system in kidney is important for us, because they filters our blood. So till then, my dear students, be safe and keep learning.